it's me, your fabric fondling quilter, Angela Walters. That's right, I'm a fabric fondler, and those of you that are new to quilting will soon know what it's like to shop for, obsess, store fabric. This is the second video in my series for beginner quilters. In the last video, I shared my tips for finding the perfect quilt pattern, and you can find the link to that below. Did you catch that video? Have you already picked out your quilt pattern? If so, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Let me know what you decided on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to coordinate fabric for your quilt. We're going to go out on the town and pick out those perfect fabrics. But don't worry, I'll be by your side the whole time, like any best friend in a romantic comedy, giving you all the advice you need to get the perfect bundle of fibers to make your first quilt. There are two main ways that you can acquire fabric. First, at a fabric shop like your local quilt store, or you can even shop online. Both are great options. Although, if you want to get your fabric fondling on, you might want to hit up a quilt shop so you can really try it before you buy it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'll be honest, picking out fabrics isn't always the easiest thing. It's definitely not my strength. So it can be easy to get just a little bit overwhelmed. The best thing to do is when you walk into a fabric shop, look for a beautiful, bright, multicolored print that calls to you. You can be adventurous. This doesn't have to be a solid. This is going to be the focal piece of your whole quilt. Once you have that main print, you can use that as your guide for picking all the coordinating prints to go with it. Play off the colors in the fabric, or try some smaller scale prints in the same color. But always keep in mind how much of each fabric you're going to use. If you get overwhelmed, don't freak out. There's some options available. First of all, you can look for a bundle of fabric. Somebody has already taken the time to pull out coordinating fabrics in one adorable little fabric bundle. Perfect. Or you can shop within a collection. So if a designer has put together a range of fabrics, you already know they go together. You can pull your favorites from that selection. When it comes to shopping online, all the same rules apply. In fact, you might even be able to find a quilt kit that has all the fabrics for your specific quilt pattern. If you can't decide on the right number of colors, or you're not sure it's going to work, then just do what all other quilters do: buy extra fabric. As if extra fabric is ever a problem. I started quilting at a young age. It was a lot of fun back then. There's just something about machine quilting, adding those final stitches, you know what I mean? But I mean, enough about me. Tell me about you. That's a great story. That reminds me of the time that I was at QuiltCon teaching, and it was amazing. Have you been to Pasadena? Love at first sight. See, it's not so bad picking fabric. And when all else fails, remember, just pick what you like. You are the expert of your opinion after all. And I have a coupon to get you started. You can get 50% off private label fabric from Blueprint, and you can find the details about that below. I can't wait to see what fabric you pick. Be sure to tell me all about it in the comments below, because there's nothing like bringing that bundle home for the very first time. You have your pattern, you've picked out your fabric, now it's time to get piecing, because in the next video, we're going to talk about machine quilting. I'm going to share with you the top 3 free motion quilting designs that even beginners can do.